Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually going to be doing a product review on the shampoo and conditioner line that I've been using. I've probably had them for at least, I'd say at least 6 to 8 months at this point, maybe even longer. And I've been using them pretty consistently and I'm pretty pleased with the results. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the products that I'm using are made by the HASK beauty line. Hopefully you can see that. And the one I'm using is the Argan Oil from Morocco repairing shampoo and the repairing conditioner. Okay, I've got both. Now, I really want to say that I am pleased with this, and I kind of just stumbled upon it, to be honest. You know, it seemed like a pretty cool product when I was in the store, and looking at their website and everything, you know, I'm able to see that, you know, they don't do any testing on animals. These products are supposed to be free of any sulfates, any parabens, and I did notice that water was the first ingredient in both of them. Thought that was pretty cool. Now, obviously, each of them still has certain products also listed in that are maybe not necessarily the most natural, but at the same time, it's a balance. You know, I know that there needs to still be probably some products in the family of sulfates to perform the cleaning, to have the cleaning attributes of the shampoo, as well as certain things you're going to need when it comes to the conditioner for it to do its job as well and be preserved. So for me, I'm not necessarily one of those people who needs all vegan products, but at the same time, I'm trying to find a healthy balance and get closer to hopefully one day having an all natural product, whether it's, you know, I've been looking at Dr. Locs, wanting to try that and a few other things. So just keeping that in mind. But let's start with the shampoo, okay? Now for the time's sake, I won't read off each ingredient, but I will try to list them like on the side, kind of coming down here or something like that. But I will say that the smell was a little bit interesting at first. I've never really been a huge user of argan oil, but at the same time, I really like the results. I think that argan oil can be really awesome for the hair as far as helping lock in moisture as well as creating softness in your hair. And so that's been pretty cool. This shampoo in particular, I feel like even with all the different products and things that I may try or use in my hair, has really done a great job of no matter what, it lathers, you know, it really removes everything, all the oils, all of that out of my locks, and my locks feel really clean after. You know, the only thing, like I said, even when I had cut one of my locks, like I probably cut about that much off. Hopefully you can see that, about that much off. And because I was trying to even it up, and when I cut it open, all there was lint. So, you know, I really feel like that this is doing its job. Even at the oldest parts of my hair, for there to be no product and only lint, you know, that shows that a shampoo is doing what it needs to do, as well as that on the preventative side, I'm not overdoing it with products, okay? To give you kind of some insight, I use the shampoo, I use the conditioner, I usually seal with some type of oil, and that usually depends on what kind of moisturizer I'm using. If I'm using my Kinky Curly moisturizer, which I've shown you in other videos, I tend to go with an oil that's a little bit heavier because that product is really lightweight. However, if I'm moisturizing with like which one is it? Well, I'm having a moment. I'll try to include it in the video. But when I use one of my leave-in conditioners that's kind of creamy, now I'll go with more of a lightweight oil on that, okay? So, you know, it really just depends. But even despite all of those things, you know, this does a great job no matter what. And I found that I don't even always have to use my Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo with this because it does a great job on its own. I usually just throw that anti-residue shampoo in every couple of washes just to make sure I'm getting that deep cleanse I'm looking for. So, got that one out of the way. Now, as far as the conditioner, that's this one. I have a lot more conditioner left over than shampoo, which is kind of the reverse of when you're a loose natural. You know, when you're a loose natural, you tend to have like zero conditioner left, but a ton of shampoo. With my locks, I found I tend to go lighter on the conditioner, but heavier on the shampoo to really get my hair clean. Just a little tidbit I wanted to throw in there for y'all. But once again, I'll try to go ahead and add in all the products in the conditioner for time's sake. But great thing about this conditioner is that it's very lightweight. I can try to show you a little bit right here so you can see. All right, so that is the conditioner right there. Hopefully you can see that, right? You know, one thing you'll notice is that it will absorb in very, very quickly. as you can see, it's gone. It really, what's the word? I don't know how to explain it. Like it's a conditioner that is very lightweight, and I feel like you don't have to dilute it. However, depending on your locks and your needs, you can choose to. I personally do not. Oh, whoa, there we go. I personally choose not to dilute it, but if you wanted to, you definitely could. One thing that I've also noticed is that it's pretty easy to rinse out, and it absorbs in my hair very easily, which works well for me. I feel like it has really made it where I do always need to seal my hair, but I don't always have to use a heavier conditioner. You know, I feel like this really helps, you know, kind of balance out maybe any drying or anything like that that could happen with using the shampoo. And that's what I really like to look for when I try to combine or use both the shampoo and conditioner in any line. Oftentimes I end up having to kind of mix and match from different lines, but thus far I've actually been pretty pleased with the way that both of these work together. I normally only use the conditioner in the shower. Like usually I'll be in the shower, I'll wash my hair, and then I'll put the conditioner in and let it sit there for as long as I need to finish my shower, so maybe 5-10 minutes, and then go ahead and rinse that out with cooler water, not cold, because I'm not about that life at all. But I'll rinse that out, and then before I add any oils or anything, I'll usually go ahead and just let my hair air dry. And even after all that, my hair is not like obnoxiously dry or anything like that. And the reason I wait to add the oil is because number one, I want to see kind of what the conditioner does, but number two, I also really like to prevent my hair from taking so long to dry, which the oil will do that because it seals in moisture in your hair. Knowledge. So really the big thing with these two is that I feel like both products are good for the health of your hair. You're able to get your hair clean, restore moisture in your hair. My hair, not super shiny, but at the same time, I think that despite the color, you know, my hair is not very dull or anything like that. And so that's been very helpful. And, you know, I really encourage you guys to give these a try. There's different ones in the line, and I'll try to include the link. I think it's HASK or HASKbeauty.com, and they have various ones. So maybe at some point I can get connected with the company and be able to try out some different ones and help you guys out with that, okay? So if you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer them. But I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of feedback on products that I'm using right now. And I will go ahead and make sure at the end of the video or in the description box I include every product that I use pretty much on a regular basis for you, so you know exactly what's going on. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw today, please feel free to subscribe, share the video, and stay tuned for my Natural Hair Basics Part 2 video. We're going to be talking about moisturizing loose natural hair and locks. So if you still have any questions left, please feel free to drop those down below, and I'll make sure I include those in the video, which should be up by Wednesday, I believe. So thank you so much, guys. Bye.